Subarus. Look at this. Oh wow, look at this. Woo! I got hit in the head with snow here.
I don't feel safe.
Oh, this guy.
Yeah, I don't think my insurance would be too happy.
No.
No, you'd want to be one of these cars.
This guy's drinking coffee while he's going around. Oh, he's gone backwards. Oh no. Potential collision here. They're all stopping so he can back up.
Is this really a race or is this just more like...
No, it's a race. It's a race.